Dear Homemaker Diary, today feels like the beginning of something new. I'm a recovering slob, fumbling my way through the art of keeping a home. I've never been the type who cleans as she goes, and tidying is not second nature to me. But I'm learning. Slowly, imperfectly, and I want to share that journey with you. This isn't the story of someone who's already got it all together. It's the story of someone who's figuring it out. One loaf of sourdough and one messy sink at a time. If you've ever felt like you just don't get homemaking, you're in good company here. So welcome to the Homemaker Diaries, my unpolished real-life attempt at learning how to keep a home. As a recovering slob, I'm just trying to regain my footing and figure out this whole homemaking thing. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So if you've ever felt like you're just not a natural homemaker, this is for you. We'll learn together, one imperfect day at a time. I welcome you to the first episode of the Homemaking Diaries, where the days are full, the coffee is strong, and the to-do list never seems to end. Today started with sourdough, of course, pizza dough for dinner, and some protein donuts for a midday treat. Right now, if you walk through my house, you'd see stacks of laundry, scattered toys, papers that don't belong where they are. It's still messy. But here in these quiet moments, I'm finding my rhythm. This is where I'm starting today. And maybe tomorrow I'll hold this ground and win another little corner somewhere else. It's not glamorous, but it's mine. While the donuts were in the air fryer, I finally tackled a project that's been staring at me for almost 2 years. The naked light switch plate in the kitchen. I gave it a little rub and buff magic, and while I still need to replace the switch itself, it feels so good to see it finished. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make a home feel more cared for. Then it was time for the sweetest part of my day. Baby snuggles while she napped. This season of life is busy and loud, but these quiet moments are what I'll remember the most. And with the baby still asleep, I finally got to taste the donuts, and yes, they were worth the wait. What?
I'm making a bunny.
Don't make that jingle, sweets. But homemaking doesn't pause for long. The dishwasher needed unloading, and my little helper was more than happy to turn it into a game. I used to think I had to clean my whole house in one marathon session for it to count, but that just left me exhausted and surrounded by the same mess a week later. Now I'm learning to play the long game. Pick a space, finish it, and hold it. No retreat, no surrender. Every sink scrubbed, every counter cleared. It's a small victory. And a bunch of small victories? That's how you win the war on mess. My oldest absolutely loves to help, and dishes are her new favorite thing. She's learning the art of doing dishes, and I love how these everyday chores become moments together. I just need to remember to slow down, embrace the connection, and try not to hurry through the task. If you look around my house right now, you'll still see mess everywhere. And honestly, that used to make me feel like I was failing. Like if I couldn't get it all done at once, what was the point? But I'm learning to take it one space at a time. Today it's the sink. I may not get to the counters, the floors, or the laundry pile staring at me from across the room. But if I finish the dishes, I've conquered this little corner. And once I win a corner, I hold the ground. The mess might try to creep back in, but I guard it, keep it clean, and slowly, space by space, the whole house starts to change. It's not instant. It's not there yet. But it's happening, and it's working. So if you're also struggling to overcome mess in your own home, what is one corner you can conquer today? I encourage you to find a space. Maybe it's the sink. Maybe it's the clothes on your bedroom floor. Maybe it's just making your bed for the day. Whatever it is for you, conquer it and hold your ground. When I first started trying to keep a tidier home, I expected it to click overnight. It didn't. But I've realized homemaking is like gardening. You plant the seeds, you water them, and you keep showing up, even when you don't see results yet. And one day you notice, hey, this thing that used to feel impossible is just part of my day now. It's so easy to look at everything left to do and feel discouraged, but the truth is, every little bit counts. Every load of dishes, every cleared counter, every tiny thing you do adds up to a home that feels more peaceful. So today, maybe your sink isn't empty, but it's emptier than it was. That matters. Later, it was back to the kitchen for pizza night. We shaped the dough, layered on sauce and cheese, and you'll see a few little hands stealing tastes along the way. And I finished it with pepperoni. They came out a little darker than planned, but they were delicious all the same. But I am trying to think of cleaning as a gift to future me. Tomorrow me will love walking into a kitchen without a sink full of dishes, or cooking dinner without having to do an entire sink full before I can get to it. It's not glamorous work, but it's quiet love in action, for myself and for my family. Homemaking is holy work. And I think that's important. Homemaking isn't glamorous, but it's full of small victories. A finished project, a meal shared, a moment of stillness with the ones you love. Thanks for spending the day with me. I'll see you in the next Homemaking Diaries. And please remember, if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. It really helps my channel. Until next time.